So just like I said surds. Surds are irrational numbers that does not have a perfect square. We have perfect squares and imperfect squares. Perfect squares are number like 16, which is square of 4 raised to power 2. Numbers like 36, which is square of 6. We have numbers like 81, which is square of 9. All these numbers 16, 36 and 81, they are perfect squares. So talking about imperfect squares are numbers that are not a square of another number, like 21, 27, 17. Numbers like this, they are not perfect square, they are imperfect square. Now talking about surds are always carrying square roots. This thing is called square root. Surds are always carrying square root, but surds you cannot find the square root of that number. Something like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. All these, they are surds. Whenever you see something like root 36, this is not a surd, because root 36 is 6. So numbers like this, they are surds. Now if we have something like root 50, this is root 50. Now I said if I say simplify root 50, that means we are going to have root 50 equals to root 25 times root 2, which is root 25 times 2. So root 50 equals to, what is root 25? That is 5. What is root 2? Root 2 is what? Root 2 is root 2. So root 50 is equals to 5 root 2. Now let's move on to addition of surds. For instance, let's say we have 2 root 3 plus 5 root 3. If you want to add this, what you're going to do is something like indices. That is, when we have the same base, like a root m times a root n. When you have the same base, you are going to pick one base, which is a raised to power m plus n. We are going to follow this rule, which is the same base